Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara.
Today we're going to be making the viral baked feta pasta that everybody has been raving about, and for good reason. It's so easy.
Like, anybody can make this and it tastes amazing. You guys will love it.
Be sure to tap that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up.
So without further ado, let's get started.
So let's talk pasta. We have many options here. You can use elbow macaroni, you could use penne, or bow tie pasta, but you could also use medium shells. Just use whatever you prefer. Then you will need 2 pints of cherry or grape tomatoes. Today we're using grape. And now for the star of the show, you will need an 8-ounce block of feta cheese. Feta cheese works perfectly for this recipe because it's soft and it melts and combines really well. You will also need 1/3 cup of olive oil. It does seem like a lot, but you will need it. 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Add to taste depending on how spicy you want it. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Add 2 pints of tomatoes to a baking dish. Pour in 1/3 cup of olive oil. Add in 3 minced garlic cloves and season with red pepper flakes, a half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Stir until the tomatoes are evenly coated. Place block of feta cheese in the middle of dish around the tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees and cook for 30 minutes. Then increase the heat on the oven to 450 degrees and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. While the dish is baking, cook pasta according to package instructions. Once out of the oven, mix together cheese and tomatoes until it forms a paste. Then add in the cooked pasta and give it a stir. And to top it all off, garnish with parsley or basil. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
Tap that subscribe button.
And we will see you next time.
Bye!